The Mohave Desert from United States is scorching hot, and so is the Renegade Mojave all the way from US. Coming to India is the Renegade Mojave. This is a 300cc cruiser from United Motors, and this is the talk of the town because this looks gorgeous. This completely fits the commando theme that always follows. Especially here in this beige shade, kind of, retro. You also get saddlebag, both sides saddlebag, and a very restful backrest. I mean, it's amazing. As you can see here, the saddlebags are all leather and they can withstand anything. The backrest is obviously amazing. The seat was cushiony enough. The speedometer is on the tank itself, which is kind of a whole deal with the power cruisers these days. The Commando Star always adds to the charm of every bike ever made. The Renegade Mojave will cost you 1.77 lakh at showroom, almost 2 lakh on road, I think. Maybe more than that, maybe 2 lakh 10,000 of or some sort. So why would you buy Mohave? Well, for starters, for its looks. Well, that's for me. If you want to know more about it, the tires are 110 and 140 sections, disc at the front, drum at the rear. The curb weight is around 180 kgs. Electronic FI is given. The power is completely similar to that of previous model, 25.15 PS and 23 Nm of torque. So head to a Renegade showroom nearby, and I will see you in the next video. Don't go anywhere. Click on the next video.